Welcome to Sahidi Online Education. Here we begin a training program for spoken English and personality development. Be, Before we enter into the program, we are to assess why do we learn it? What an importance have it to learn? My beloved learners, on earth we see two type of things, living and non-living. Living things generally requires two basic things to exist, food and shelter. Considering a living being, man also requires these two basic things. Needs more. Man requires at least three basic things, which are food, cloth, and shelter. Food to grow, cloth to wear, shelter to protect. Man requires two types of food for two different growths, food for body and food for mind. Knowledge is the food to grow the mind. Language is the source of knowledge. In other words, mind requires knowledge to grow. Knowledge requires language to exist. Here, if we want to see an expanded or developed world, we must have a developed mind. To have a developed mind, it is to be filled with plentiful language. Moreover, man cannot move a step ahead without language. Considering language, mother tongue has the first importance to all men. In the modern world, men in different countries come so closer for many day by day affairs. A common language among them is a must. Here, English, the first international language, become most valuable. Spoken English knowledge make wonders abroad, particularly in Western countries. In any field, moreover, business, industry, employment, whatever it may be, anybody can shine with the help of fluency in English. So, let's begin. Before start learning, a mind setup to grasp and keep what we learned in memory is most important. Lie, leaned in a sofa, close your eyes, command for a total relaxation of your body. Listen, breathe in and breathe out only. All other thoughts to be expelled from your mind. Now your memory is empty. Command all the toes of your legs get relaxed. Gradually the relaxation come upwards. Now your legs, knees, thighs, belly, abdomen, chest, shoulder, hands, neck, and head are totally relaxed. When you give command, all such part of your body should pass through your memory. Then concentrate the breathe in, breathe out, possibly long. Then command, my mind is capable to bear everything I train here and have a very good listening power to grasp in high concentration. Repeat it three times. Then let's begin. The most populous language in the world is Mandarin Chinese, but it is not an international language. The most populous international language is English. Why? Because it is very easy to handle and learn. There are only 26 letters including vowels and consonants in English. Only with these 26 letters the voluminous language is built. The world consider it as a common language only because of its ease to handle. We speak a language through sentences. Words require to make sentences. Therefore, we must have a good words power to speak a language fluently. How is having words power? We by heart words into memory, not words one by one. The words to be applied in a sentence is a better way. What is a word? A letter or more letters give a sense is a word. In English alphabet, A and I are words as well as letters because both have meaning. To speak a language, a basic understanding in grammar is a must. Why? Because the order of letters and words is grammar. Example: talk is meaningful. It has an order of letters, but KALT, calt, has the same letters. As it is meaningless, it is not a word. The sun rises in the east. Right order of words, meaningful sentence. The east rises in the sun. Wrong order of words, meaningless, not a sentence. Let's continue the class in the next video. Thank you. To watch our complete videos, click on subscribe, press bell icon and select all. Like and share.